needs more cowbell. Well, hello there my friends, welcome back to the Scott Reed Project. It's been a while, I know, and a lot of people are saying, where are you dude, where have you been? Well, I've had an absolutely hectic, but at the same time an amazing month. Now when I get back to my gaff, I will explain a bit more in detail what I've been up to and what's going to be happening. So yeah, stick with me. Okay then my friends, I hear you cry, what have you been up to? Well, I've had a hectic month, starting with this book. Now, a fantastic journey, this book written with Simon Whitehead. Absolutely brilliant. Now, we had a book release at a game fair at Ragley Hall, an amazing day. We did interviews, book signings, culminating in me cooking in the game theatre live in front of an audience. It was just, wow, it was surreal. When you think like a year ago, 2 years ago, I was sat in the audience in that game theatre watching these people. I was there on stage. It was just, yeah, it was amazing. Now, I do these videos behind the camera, you know, you can hide away a bit, but on stage you cannot hide anywhere. But I'll admit it, I absolutely loved it. So this book then, not many copies of this book left. It is sold phenomenally well. The publishing company, it's the fastest selling book they've ever done all around the world. Even the editor was like, Scott, it's just gone absolutely everywhere. So thank you if you've bought a copy. If you haven't, I will put a link in the description. Get on there. There isn't many copies left and we're not reprinting. So that was number one. Number two, not so exciting, I moved house. Now we all know how stressful that is. I'm not making excuses, it's a ball ache. But hey-ho, we will brush over that quickly and we'll move on to number three. So number three then, I have been nominated for 2 awards. Now it is the Eat Game Awards, absolutely fantastic. I'll read you some of the bump. Now there's 9 categories. Best restaurant regularly serving game, best pub serving game, best chef regularly cooking game, best farmers market including street food, best added value game meat product, and best multiple retailer selling game. And then the next 2 categories I am nominated for. Best game butcher and game hero. Game hero being, I suppose, the top prize, the top one. Now the thing is, I'm nominated in that category, but I am up against, believe it or not, Jamie Oliver, James Martin, Rosemary Schrager, who some of you may or may not know is a television chef who actually did the foreword in our book, and also Angela Hartnett, the Michelin-starred chef who used to work for Gordon Ramsay, is just a legend in her own right. So no pressure there. But what you can do for me, my friends, is go to www.eatgameawards.co.uk. Have a look through the nominations. Obviously, voting on your way. If you're in the UK, you may recognise some names, you know, but search, have a look, you know, everybody's doing good stuff. And then you'll get to category 8, Best Butcher. If you want, put a tick by Scotty. And then obviously Game Hero, you know, I mean, for me to win that is just, it's just, well, it would be nuts. You know, to be nominated in the same category as 4, you know, famous TV chefs, you know, little old me from Worcester on YouTube, it's just fantastic. So if you could go on there, give me a vote, it would be very much appreciated. So, just a quick video then to let you know I'm alive, I'm back, should be back up and running next week or the very latest, the start of October. But yeah, stick with me my friends, and thank you for all the people who've said, where are you dude? I'm still alive, I'm here, I'm back. So until next time then, please do get on there, give me a vote. If you haven't already, I'll put a link in and you're interested in this. I mean, it's a corker. We've had 3 reviews on Amazon so far, all 5-star. I mean, it's just brilliant. It is the definitive book. And I'll let you into a secret. There's more coming from me. I am working on my second book as we speak. So if you like what you've seen here today on the SRP, please click subscribe when my beautiful face comes up down here somewhere. Also on my social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Scott Reed Project. And if you want to share the love, please do check out my Patreon page. Oh, there's a bit of a whistle there. So until next time, I will definitely be back. Don't panic. I'm alive, baby. Take care.